Today we are going to take a look at using iTunesU as a way for students to download apps onto their iPads in the classroom. I have students who will be coming into my classroom with Apple IDs and passwords and an iPad, and then I am responsible for getting apps onto their iPads. So I'm going to have students scan a QR code which will sign them up for our class course. In their class course, they will find a post called Apps, and within that it will be all the apps that I want them to have on their iPads that we will be using in the classroom. So they'll be able to click on one of the apps, and if I did not already have Seesaw on my iPad, I would see an icon here saying Get. So they would be able to download their Seesaw app straight through the iTunesU course instead of having to go onto the App Store. Now, I have primary students. I don't want them going onto the App Store and having to search, so this is an easy way to do so. So I'm going to create my iTunesU course on my laptop. It's a lot easier, though you can do it on an iPad if you need to. So I went to iTunesU Course Manager online, signed in with my Apple ID and password. I'm going to create a new course, and I'm going to call it Practice. My department could be my 3rd grade, it could be English, it could be math, anything that you want it to say in there. Choose a level, choose a language. A lot of this information is more than what I really need to have for my students, but iTunesU was originally created for college level courses. So you do need to have a description. Again, sometimes it matters, sometimes it doesn't. Depends on the age of your students. I like to have my course self-paced, so I put in the weeks that we have in the school year. You can enable or disable discussions. We haven't really needed to use those yet in my classroom, though we might in the future. And I'm going to choose the attribution license. Alright, so here's my course. I'm going to open that up and start with the outline. My first and only for now topic is going to be apps. And I want to save my outline. Oops. I don't need this second topic. And now I'm going to be posting within the apps topic. I want to add a post. Apps to download. Please follow the links to download apps for classroom. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to add an assignment. I'm going to call it Seesaw. That's the first app that I want them to get on their iPads, and I'm going to attach material. You have some options. You can go from your computer, search the store, iTunes, or a web link, or from materials that you've previously added. I'm going to search the store and type in Seesaw. Now here it's going to give me all kinds of options. I just want to go into the App Store, and I'm going to find Seesaw, the Learning Journal for the classroom, and click Add. So now it's added the app to my assignment, and I'm going to click Back. Now I can add another assignment. I also want them to have the Book Creator app. So I'm going to again attach material, search the store for it, and I want to specifically go in the App Store. And here it is, so I'm going to add that one as well. Then I just click back, and it's going to continue to add the assignments or the apps that I want them to load. Once I'm finished, I can save the draft if I want to add more, or I can post it to my course. Next time we'll talk about creating a QR code for our students to access our iTunesU course.